you looking for make money online? So you are the right place. Here is the most popular website, bucks.money. This website and mobile app promotion exchange and set arbitrary tasks necessary for the development of your business. This is promotional websites and give multiple tasks to earn money online. This website is made with Germany. So this is 100% trusted website. You will get here just simple tasks and make money online. I will show you how you use this website. Before we start today's digital age, the internet has opened up countless opportunities for individuals to earn money from the comfort of their own homes. One avenue that has gained popularity is making money online by completing simple tasks. These tasks can range from answering surveys and testing websites to transcribing audio and participating in online market research. While they may not provide a substantial income on their own, they can serve as a convenient and accessible way to earn extra money or supplement one's existing income. In this essay, we will explore some of the common ways to make money online with simple tasks. First, you will get registered here by your email. Here we start and work this site. It's so simple to work here. I will show you in this video. It's very easy to work here. You will choose here any tasks. We will explore some of the common ways to make money online with simple tasks. Here is the task, just simple work. In 7 minutes you earn $7. Here's some tasks, give maximum pay, just simple work. If you are a hard worker, so you can earn $300 in a day. One popular method is participating in paid surveys. Market research companies and brands are constantly seeking consumer feedback to improve their products and services. By signing up with survey websites or apps, individuals can receive surveys tailored to their demographics and interests. These surveys typically involve answering questions about personal preferences. But here is multiple tasks like YouTube videos, watch, like, and earn. Go to other website, you just visit their sites and earn. This is totally amazing. You will trade and enjoying to make money with your mobile and PC. Another option is website testing. Companies and individuals often seek feedback on the usability and functionality of their websites. By becoming a website tester, individuals can navigate through websites or apps and provide feedback on their user experience. This could involve identifying issues, providing suggestions for improvement, or recording their impressions. Website testing platforms connect testers with clients and compensate them for their time and feedback. This is a straightforward task that does not require any specialized skills, making it accessible to a wide range of individuals. You can select here your best option to work. Additionally, individuals can earn money through online microtasks. Microtask platforms offer small, simple tasks that can be completed quickly. These tasks may include data entry, image tagging, categorization, or content moderation. While the pay for each task is typically low, individuals can complete multiple tasks within a short period, thus increasing their overall earnings. Making money online with simple tasks has become a viable option for individuals seeking additional income or flexible work opportunities. Just a few examples of the avenues available. While these tasks may not provide a substantial income on their own, they can be a convenient way to earn money in spare time or supplement existing income. As with any online endeavor, it is important to be cautious and research reputable platforms to ensure a legitimate and rewarding experience. Earning money online through remote work has become a viable and popular option for individuals seeking flexibility, independence, and income opportunities. It is important to identify your skills and interests, research reputable platforms, and develop a strong online presence to maximize earning potential. With dedication, perseverance, and a proactive approach, you can leverage the internet to work remotely and earn money online. It can be a convenient way to earn some extra money or rewards. In this essay, we will explore how individuals can make money online by watching ads. One avenue for earning money through ad watching is by joining pay-to-click. These platforms allow users to earn money by clicking on and watching advertisements. Advertisers pay these websites to display their ads, and a portion of the revenue is shared with the users who view them. Some mobile applications also provide opportunities to make money by watching ads. These apps may offer a variety of features, such as watching short videos or viewing advertisements in exchange for rewards. It's important to note that while watching ads can be a way to earn money online, individuals should be cautious and do thorough research before engaging with any platform. Some platforms may have low payout rates, long waiting periods for withdrawal. Here is the cash payout systems you will select to your payment section and pay out all your earnings from this platform, which is you earn from here. It is essential to read user reviews, check the legitimacy of the platform, and understand their terms and conditions before investing time or sharing personal information.